Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Tradovate step by step. First, open your TradingView platform and locate the trading panel at the bottom. From there, choose Tradovate as your broker. You will then be prompted to log in using your Tradovate account credentials. This secure connection typically takes only a few seconds, linking your charting and execution seamlessly for efficient trading. Once connected, placing a trade is straightforward. Select your desired futures contract or instrument on a chart. Utilize the order panel, often found on the right side, to choose your order type, such as market, limit, or stop. Specify the quantity, perhaps 1 or 2 contracts, and review all details carefully before clicking the buy or sell button to submit your order. Managing your active trades and pending orders is crucial. The trading panel provides a clear overview of all your open positions and working orders. You can easily modify an existing order by dragging its line on the chart to adjust the price or quantity. To exit a trade, simply click the close button or set a stop loss and take profit level for automated management. To enhance your trading, explore TradingView's extensive charting tools and indicators. Always begin with a Tradovate demo account to practice strategies without financial risk, perhaps for several weeks. Customize your workspace by arranging charts and panels to suit your preferences, creating an efficient environment. Remember to manage risk carefully, never risking more than 1 or 2% of your capital per trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.